morning. I'm starting this a little bit late today. I came in really early and I was working on progress reports and catching up on those log notes like I've been trying to get done the past few days. So I did get a good portion of that stuff done. I'm setting up now for the groups. We have about an hour until class starts. So I'm just trying to get ahead of the game. I don't know, for some reason I just feel like I'm super behind in every aspect of my life today. So there's that. As you can hear, the building is again back to being really cold, so I have my jacket on and my space heater, and we are back to normal as usual. So that's a bonus, I guess. I have to make sure I have all of my ghosts because I feel like I'm missing a bunch of them from yesterday. Other than that, we're doing, I think, mostly Ghost Toss today. I don't even think we're reading The Little Old Lady Who Wasn't Afraid of Anything. I'm not 100% sure. I should probably check on that. But hopefully it goes as well today as it did yesterday and the kids continue to enjoy it. I know one of my friends is wearing the superhero cape. I cannot forget that because he will never forgive me. But yeah, it's going to be a pretty regular day. I'm hoping that in between my group, since I don't have any meetings today, that I can finish up progress reports as well as print out some more of my log notes, because honestly I did not realize how behind you get. Like, I'm already messing up dates from like professional days and whatnot, so I just really have to make sure I stay on top of that and get all of that done, and I feel like that'll make me feel a whole lot better. Regardless, we gotta get ready and get hyped for the kids and get ready to do some spooky ghost throwing. So I'll check in with you guys a little bit later, let you know how it's going. It's lunchtime and I have finished most of my log notes. I have 40 more to do, including today's, so that sounds like a lot, but I made it through like 60 or 80 of them, so I'm very excited about that, and hopefully I'm feeling a little bit better. I'm gonna go keep doing that though. The Ghost Toss is still a huge hit. I'm so glad that they like easy activities like this that are relatively low prep to put together, so I highly recommend it if you are looking for something quick and easy for Halloween. I've used it with my language groups. I actually, even for one group that was working on like WH questions based on stories, I would read a page from There Was an Old Lady, or The Little Old Lady Who Wasn't Afraid of Anything, and then I would ask a WH question based on that page or whatever I had just read, and they had to answer it in order to throw the ghost in. So that was a fun way that I've kind of amended it. But you can definitely do that with any of your groups, especially if they're doing WH questions or like story elements, and you can read like 1 page or 2 pages or however many you think that they can handle, and then start asking them some questions. So I'm very happy that that is working out as well as it is. All the kids want to keep the ghosts even though they can't. A lot of my friends have earned the bat cape, so they put their speech bucks towards wearing the bat cape this week, so they are very happy about that. And seeing them happy makes me happy, and we've had some pretty great speech sessions today. Clearly I can't talk. I'm still like sort of stuffed up. I'm gonna go finish the log notes that I've been working on and then prep for my last groups today. I have to also see what I'm doing with my last group this afternoon. I feel like I had something planned, but I might have to touch base with the occupational therapist just to make sure what it was, because now it is slipping my mind. I will check in with you guys at the end of today. Hi guys, it's the end of the day. It was a pretty good rest of the day. In my last group, I know I was trying to figure out what we were going to do. We ended up doing Halloween bingo, and they did really excellent with that. We only had 2 friends there today, but they did an awesome job with their turn taking and waiting and following directions, and I am so excited and happy that it worked out as well as it did. It was a nice conclusion to the day. Earlier, I did have a friend that was a little too rambunctious, not for me necessarily, but he's been having a hard week. We had this whole big talk about how we were going to act, and he was like very adamant that he had gotten his sillies out and he was going to have a good rest of the day. And then I checked in with his teacher and that was not the case, so that was pretty sad. But we are going to try again to have a better day tomorrow. I got all of my log notes done and printed. I do have to input the last 20 into Medicaid, but I'm all caught up as of this afternoon, so I no longer feel that weight of feeling like I'm gonna like mess up and have log notes that are out of order, so that is good. I am gonna get out of here though because it is already after 4 and I'm going to skedaddle, and I have other things to do like laundry that I've been putting off that I probably shouldn't anymore. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.